So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the dividend yield of a stock here on Google Finance. So once Google Finance is opened up, I want you to go to the search bar at the top right here and then select a stock of your choice. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead here and do Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. So once the stock is selected, if you go to the right hand side of your screen, you can see a whole bunch of different stats here. But what you want to do is see the dividend yield right here, the ratio of annual dividend to current share price that estimates the dividend return of a stock. So in this case, for Apple, at this moment in time, it is 0.51%. An example of a company that pays a little bit higher of a dividend, I will use one of the Canadian banks. So I'll just go with ticker symbol RY for RBC. So if you go to RBC right here, the dividend yield is a little bit higher. It's 3.54%. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the dividend yield of a stock on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.